Excuse me, I'm gonna ask you to leave because you have been standing there for 6 hours 32 minutes 13 seconds and 23.4 milliseconds. What? Did that guy take you to Dr. Phil? Yeah. What did he do? What did he do? He taught me how to fart. You said other words. What? Okay, that was nasty. What? What's with the accent? Okay, your words don't go with my question. No, stop that, yo dude. Alright, leave now. What? Alright, get out of the store. Now the food's green. EWW green is yuck. Yes, I recorded that. Alright, how do you know my secret? Wait, what's the secret? The secret is, oh my god, so you tricked the guy. Yeah, I really can say other words, but I felt like saying what, yeah and okay. So you can't prove I was talking without those words, because I already can talk. Dance party. Yeah, subscribe, rate and comment, you YouTubers. Alright, so you hear that cricket? Yeah, it sounds like he's getting ready to rap. Yeah, in a concert.